So now, if you look at according to our weekly structure, because we are daily traders, most of us are daily traders, including I. We are all daily traders. So since we are daily traders, you need to understand the main price action, what the market is currently telling you with this major demand zone and this minor demand zone. Back to our another session where we are going to analyze Boom 1000 index and catch the next move using pure price action and technical analysis. So let's dive in now. So today we are going to talk about technical analysis on Boom 1000. That's the first thing. Possible opportunities. We are going to talk about what are the possible entries for us to target Boom 1000, because if you look at it, it's still in an uptrend, major uptrend, but it's still retracing down before it clearly go up. So I want to be catching the moves from this major point, not from here, not from here, not from here. So let's dive in. So in our bonus tip, I'm going to tell you which major demand zone should you focus on and make sure you make a very, very good profit trading the boom and crash market. Though we are trading the Boom 1000 now. So let's dive in. So looking at the main market structure, let's start with the monthly. If you look at it, looking at the main market structure on the monthly, we have a serious rejection. We have a pin bar here. This is a bullish pin bar with a serious rejection. You can see market reject this level, reject this level, reject this level, and finally close inside the range. So this technically tell you that according to candles to rule, this market needs to go up, because any candle that refuses to close below to continue the downtrend, definitely it has to come and continue the uptrend upward here. So that is exactly what is happening on Boom 1000 now. So technically, look at it by merely looking at it. Let's even go to the weekly. Let's go to the weekly and see the bigger picture. You can see for the weekly we have some zones. Look at it. So this is a typical uptrend. Market is trading upward. Let me get my pen. As I told you, since last upper week, market is trading upward, coming down. You see, come down. So market is falling back into this range, and automatically market is trying to go back up and continue the uptrend. This is the current market condition for Boom 1000 index. Nothing to guess. Just that as the market is trending down here, you need to make sure you are trying to wait the market to enter into a good demand zone for you to take your trade. And that is why I'm going to show you how we're going to have a good demand zone. But for this market to continue an uptrend, it needs to come and continue, need to break this previous higher high, because this is higher high, this is the current market higher high, and this is lower high, and this is our swing low. So this is majorly our trading range. From here to here, this is our trading range. So that is what you need to understand. So technically, the possible opportunities for this market is purely bullish. This market is in a bullish structure, and this market is it will continue the movement upward. Just that if you look at it here, this is the daily chart. If you look at it here, it has been consolidating around this area. It has been consolidating around this area. It has been consolidating here. So that's why I told you, for this market to continue the uptrend, it needs to break above these highs. This is our swing high, and this is our swing low. So that is what you need to understand. This market needs to continue the uptrend. This market needs to break above this high. If market breaks above this low, we are not entering. Market have changed trend. We are going to wait for any buying opportunities. As I always say, I only buy boom and sell crash. I only buy boom and sell crash. I'm not stopping people from buying boom and selling crash, but me personally, I only buy boom and sell crash. That is what you need to understand. So let's move to the next point, where we're going to get the possible opportunities and look for the possible entries. So what are the major possible demand zones that you are going to rely on for the possible next entry? Though we have some running trades in the BFE signal group, we still have some running trades, but we have some positions holding since around 2000 and 2200. So that was the reason we don't have problem, and we are using a reasonable lot size to make sure we can't move. So now let's go to the 4 hours time frame, because 4 hours time frame is my major time frame that I consider any possible opportunities here. So let's see. So this is our 4 hours chart. This is our 4 hours chart. So you can see the current 4 hours candle for boom 1000. Look at it. I even give the signal in the BFE group because I showed them that there was a chop now. There was a change of character here before this movement. There was a change of character. So I even share it. It was a sniper entry. Look at it. So look at it. It was a sniper entry. It was actually a sniper entry. We have a sniper chop here. So as we have change of character, definitely price has to continue pushing off higher. And you can see from where we catch the sniper entry, this level and this level to the current market level now is over 120 pips movement. So you can see this market has moved in just 30 to 35 minutes because it's not quite long. I checked the market and I give the signal before I started this video. So that market has moved 120 pips in just very short time. That is what you need to understand. So this is Forex Gold Trading Channel. Please, if you have any value on this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, like this video, share this video to a loved one so that we can be able to catch the fish together. So let's move to the next on our list. We have a strong demand zone. So for somebody that will be buying on a daily basis, for the daily traders, they should be looking for opportunities within this zone, but on a lower time frame, which is the 1 minute time frame, M1, 1 hour time frame, H1. For daily traders, should be looking at daily 1 hour time frame, which in my next video I'm going to release to you a nice 1 hour. In my next video I'm going to release to you a special strategy that you can be using to make daily profit using the 1 hour time frame as a scalper or as a day trader. So now for the swing traders, which we are, sometimes we need to look at our zones from these areas. Look at it. This is my two major. This level I mark, this one, this first one, this level I mark, this is my first, this is my extreme demand zone, and this is my minor demand zone. So now, like you see here, market has tapped into this area and push up higher. So even market started to push up higher. If market puts up higher, I don't have problem. I will need to wait. For a swing trader, you need to wait for market to come and tap into this zone. When you see a bullish price action or a bullish confirmation, when market start to trade above this 2152, you can even place your buy stop order at this level 2152. That's why we're going to buy your buy stop order, so that when price retraces and come back up, you should be able to execute that trade. This is Forex Gold Trading Channel, and this zone 19688, 668, this is another strong demand zone that I am relying on in order to make sure I have a good move. This demand zone. So basically, looking at this demand zone, you'll be able to know that price is truly consolidating around this area. So now, if price was able to break this minor demand zone, and I may not rule out that because of the strong uptrend, if market want to make a deep pullback, like here, market was refused to produce another higher high, which I told you for this market, this is considerable because market is still ranging. But for this market to continue the uptrend, it must break above these previous daily highs. And for this market to continue the downtrend, for this market to continue up, it must break above these daily highs. But if market frees this daily low or even enter into this zone, is another buying opportunity. And look at it now, as I'm talking to you, market just spiked again. So you see, I told you this is around 200 pips from the current entry level where we catch our sniper entry. That is what I'm telling you about boom 1000 index. So as I told you, you need to make sure you give a very, very good stop loss between you and the market. Look at it. This is a confirmed change of character. Look at it. We got the change of character since around this area, and we're in profit now. And market was able to move here. So over 100 pips, I should say 150 pips in just short time. So this is Forex Gold Trading Channel. So those are the major opportunities we have. And in the bonus tip, I'm going to show you my large demand zone. So now I want you to understand this demand zone you are seeing is a strong demand zone. Look at it. Even on the daily, it's a strong demand zone. If you come to the weekly, you see this is a strong demand zone. This is even a weekly demand zone. Look at it here. There was too much rejection here. Rejection. So that tells me that this is a strong demand zone. And you see there was a very big bullish weekly candle last 2-3 weeks because of this movement. So now I'm going to work if price tap into this zone, if price go and tap into this particular zone, this one, if price go and tap into this zone, I will be able to make this price go up higher. That is what you need to understand. And we are trying to make sure if price enter that zone, we'll have a very good price action confirmation entry and we'll take our trade. This is Forex Gold Trading Channel. And nice to have you now. See you in my next video, which I'm going to give you a special 1-hour daily scalping strategy for beginners, which is a special boom and crash strategy that you can be able to use daily and have multiple entries to execute your trade in the boom and crash market. So nice to have you now. See you in my next video. Bye.